Marakkar, Lion of the Arabian Sea. The story of a legendary Kunjali Marakkar fort and his epic warfare against the Portuguese. One of the biggest movies of Mohanlal's career. Marakkar reunites Laletan with ace filmmaker Priyadarshan. The period drama has a stellar cast that includes Kirti Suresh, Manju Warrier and Bollywood actor Sunil Shetty. Upendra's Kabza. The movie depicts the journey of a simple man from a humble flower market to the underworld. Circumstances forces him to take a weapon and a simple man ends up becoming the most dreaded man in the underworld. Directed by R. Chandru, Kabza is a period drama that features Upendra in the role of a don. Many feel this could be a game changer for the mass hero. Kabza is releasing in Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam, Bengali and Marathi. Prabhas 20. Despite the outbreak of coronavirus, the team of Prabhas 20 flew down to Georgia in the first week of March and shot some crucial scenes in extreme weather conditions. However, after filming for a few days, the makers decided to halt the shoot for the safety of the cast and crew and return to India. Upon returning from the European country, Prabhas and Pooja Hegde have decided to self-quarantine for 2 weeks. Touted to be a period drama, the untitled film is set against the backdrop of Paris in the 1920s and Prabhas will be reportedly be seen as fortune teller. Fighter. The crazy combination of Vijay Deverakonda and Puri Jagannath has created a huge expectations among the audience. Starring Bollywood bombshell Ananya Pandey as the leading lady, the first schedule of the pan-Indian project was recently shot in Mumbai. Karan Johar is presenting the sports drama in Hindi through his Dharma Productions. Pushpa. Touted to be a rustic actioner, the rugged avatar and bearded look of Allu Arjun bagged a phenomenal response from netizens. With a seized van carrying red sandalwood in the background, Allu Arjun's character Pushparaj can be seen sitting amid police in the second poster of the film. Directed by Sukumar, Pushpa stars Rashmika Mandanna as the leading lady and Kollywood superstar Vijay Sethupathi as the antagonist. Along with the Telugu and Malayalam, the film will be releasing in Hindi and other South languages. The story was originally supposed to be made with Mahesh Babu, but the things didn't work out as Prince quit the project due to creative differences. KGF Chapter 2. KGF Chapter 1 scored huge success at the box office by accumulating worldwide gross of over 200 crore. All the dubbed versions have registered massive footfalls and the film's protagonist, rocking star Ash, became a nationwide sensation. Director Prashant Neel and co are busy with shooting formalities of the sequel version titled KGF Chapter 2. After wrapping up a major push in Kerala, the cast and crew of KGF 2 have recently shot an extensive schedule at Ramoji Film City in Hyderabad. While Bollywood superstar Sanjay Dutt is essaying the role of the prime antagonist Adhira, ravishing beauty Raveena Tandon will be seen in a pivotal role. RRR. Elaborated as Raudram Ranam Rudhiram in Telugu, the S.S. Rajamouli directorial is slated for a massive release on January 8, 2021. The release date of the movie will be changed. It might be pushed to summer 2021 due to COVID-19. Set against the pre-independence era of the 1920s, RRR is a fictitious story based on two legendary freedom fighters, Alluri Sitaramaraju and Komaram Bhim. The movie has created a fair deal of buzz among fans as it marks the first collaboration between Junior NTR, Ram Charan and the man himself, director S.S. Rajamouli.